To understand polynomials, you're first going to need to understand the definition of monomial. So if you haven't, you might want to take a look at that video on monomials first. Basically, a polynomial is an expression that's the sum of monomials. At its simplest, technically, a single monomial is a type of polynomial. So something like 4x squared is considered a simple polynomial. But more often we end up with something that has more than one term, like this binomial, bi because it has two terms, 5x squared plus 6x, or this one. Notice it's conventional to write the higher degrees monomial parts first. So when we write a polynomial, we, by convention, although it's technically still a polynomial if you do otherwise, we write the higher powers of the variables before the lower powers. Here are just a couple more examples of polynomials. Notice, incidentally, that subtraction is okay, even though I say a sum, subtraction is okay in a polynomial because subtracting, of course, is just like adding a negative. Here are just a couple non-examples of polynomials. If it's not a monomial, like this one can't be a monomial because it has the -2, it's not a polynomial. And this is not a polynomial because of the division. Polynomials are not going to involve division. They can involve monomials being added and subtracted together. And just to end with another definition, a polynomial function is one like this. So it has a function definition where the function rule can be expressed as a polynomial.